How to set up our Google Drive on our iPads. So now Google Drive is going to let you do a whole bunch of stuff. Store all of your electronic documents, Words and PDFs and stuff like that on the internet so that you can access it anywhere. And we're going to set that Google Drive up for your class. So when you're on your iPad, you should see the Drive logo here for Google Drive. Now, I'm just going to click on that and let's go to my Google Drive, which already has quite a few folders in it. Your school Google Drive may or may not have folders in it. If you are a freshman, probably not going to have any folders in it at this point. If you are upperclassmen, might have quite a few folders in it. What we're going to do today is set up a folder in your Google Drive for all of your classes, and then we are going to share that folder with your instructor for that class. So it could be a way for you to turn in assignments or show them work, or for them to give you feedback on things, because when you put anything in that folder, automatically your teacher can see it. So we're going to set up a folder like that for each of your classes. It's going to go through the kind of the same procedure, and the first thing we're going to do is going to create a folder. So down here, the blue circle with the white cross in it, we're going to click that. It's going to give us several different options, and we're going to click on folder. We're going to make a new folder. Now, what are we going to title it? So, as per all of your teachers have requested, what we're going to do is put your last name, so for example mine, comma, your first name, and really this is to help your teachers out when you turn things in, if they use these Google folders for you to turn things in, because they can find your name easier. And then put your hour. So for example, if I had Ms. Hansen's intermediate algebra class first hour and I'm making a folder for that, I would put 1 or first maybe. And then we're going to create our folder. So now if I search around in here, right here, we see the folder. So when I open it up, there's nothing in that folder. When you make documents on different applications, need to turn them in, just drop it in this folder for that hour. But I'm going to go back because we need to share it. If you look at some of these other folders, they have this white little silhouette of a person, and that means they're shared with somebody. This one, not so much yet. We need to share it with first hour teacher. So we're going to look at this 3 little dots, and I'm going to click on it. At the top it says add people, and I'm going to click on add people. Now I'm going to type the name of whoever my first hour teacher is. So for example, if I had intermediate algebra first, I would type in Miss Hansen's name right there, and I would click on it. And if you go to the right, click on that little pencil thing, make sure it says can organize, add, and edit, because they need to be able to take things out and put things in there if they're going to use it for your class. Then also we're going to click on these 3 little dots up here where it says notify people who have access. Click that no. Some of your teachers don't want you to spam them with all the notifications that 30 or 50 of you are creating folders at the same time. So you can turn that off. Except if you're in my class, leave that on. I want to know if I get your folder. So next, all you have to do is click this paper airplane and it will be shared. I'm not going to do that so I don't spam Ms. Hansen. And that's it. So then anything, once it's shared, I put in this folder, will be shared with that teacher. And it will be a really, really slick way to turn all your stuff in. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I hope that was helpful.